Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to get back and enable old Windows photo viewer in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable and get back old Windows photo viewer on Windows 11 computer, go to this link, just copy this link and paste it on your Google Chrome browser. I will give you this link on description. You can copy from description and use it. Now you need to download these files. Just click on download button here. Download completed. I'm going to open in folder. Okay, now close browser. Right click on downloaded folder. And now click on extract all. Okay, this is the location of extracting folder. Click on extract. The file has been extracted. You will find two files here, and all these are registry files. One for disable classic photo viewer and another one is enable classic photo viewer. Right click on enable classic photo viewer and now click on show more options. Then click on manage. Now click on run. Click on yes. Are you sure you want to continue? Click on yes. And now click on OK. Now close File Explorer. Now click on Start menu. Click on Settings. Click on Apps. Now click on Default Apps. Set default for applications. Click on Search and type here photo. Look, you will find here Windows Photo Viewer. Click on Windows Photo Viewer. You will select the default photo types to use Windows Photo Viewer. This is the BMP file. Click on it and select Windows Photo Viewer and click on Set Default. Now, this is GIF. Click on it and then select Windows Photo Viewer and then Set Default. Now, scroll down. This is JPEG. Click on it. Select Windows Photo Viewer and click on Set Default. This one is JPG. Click on it. Click on Windows Photo Viewer and click on Set Default. Again, this one is PNG. Click on it. Click on Windows Photo Viewer and click on Set Default. Okay, now close settings. Now I'm going to open a photo with Windows Photo Viewer. Click on download and now I'm going to open a photo image. Just right click and click on open or just double click on the photo. Look, this is Windows Photo Viewer, and now it's default Windows Photo Viewer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.